Everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss about analysis of automated transfer problems. So before that, we are going to see about some of the formulas over here. So general terminology and analysis. There are two problems areas analysis of automated flow line which must be addressed over here. One is the process technology, another one is the system technology. So process technology refers the knowledge about the theory and principles of the particular manufacturing process. Example, manufacturing of process technology includes the metallurgy and the machinability of the work material. So the application of the cutting tool, chips, chip control and economics of machine tools, alteration host their problems. So many a lot of problems encountered in the machining can be overcome application of good machining principles over here. Then comes into this what is the system technology. So usually it refers the design flow lines and the overflow lines, and it also refers the manufacturing process that carried out the flow lines. Then comes into the formulas used. TC is the cycle time. So TC is equal to max TSI plus TR. So what is the TSI? Processing time, and TR is the repositioning time. Okay, also called as transfer time. So all the units it comes as a minute because cycle time is comes in the minutes only. So we are going to take here as a minutes only. So the next formula is that the actual average production TP is equal to TC plus FTD. So TC is the cycle time, and F is the downtime frequency, and TD is the downtime per line stop minutes. Okay, then comes into the production rate can be computed the reciprocal of TP. So RP is equal to 1 by TP. So these things we have discussed in the mathematical formula in those problems. So and RP is the actual production rate piece per minute, and TP is the actual average production time. So and RC is the ideal production rate. So unit is the piece per minute. Then comes into the next one, CPC, the cost per piece. Finding that that means one cost per piece. CPC is equal to CM plus COTP plus CT. So CM is the cost per minute to operate the time, and TP is the average production time, and CT is the cost of tooling per piece. CO is the allocation of capital cost of the equipment over the service life. And also line efficiency can calculated E is equal to TC by TP. So that formula TC by TC plus FTD. Okay, here E is the proportion uptime of the production line. Then comes into the problem on a transfer line performance. A 30 station transfer line is being proposed to a machine. Certain component currently produced a conventional method. The proposal received from machine tool builder states that the line will operate at a production rate of 100 piece hour at 100% efficiency. So production rate is the 100 piece. So RP is the 100 piece, and the efficiency is the 100%. So E is equal to from similar transfer line estimated the breakdowns all types it will be occurs frequency F is equal to 0.20, and breakdowns as per cycle that average downtime will be 8 minutes. Downtime will be 8 minutes, and starting block machined on the line cost is the 5 per part. The cost will be 5 per part. The line operates at a cost of 100 parts each, and average cost per tool is 20 per cutting edge. So compute the following production rate and line efficiency and cost per unit piece and production line. So here I will operate uh, this one. So first we are going to find the value. So at the 100% efficiency line produces 100 piece per hour. it will be reciprocal of unit time or ideal cycle time per piece. So Tc is equal to 1. So this that will be divided by 0.1, sorry, Tc is equal to 1. So that is 0.10 hour per piece. So it equal to 0.6 minutes 100. So the average production time per production given by TP is equal to TC plus FTD. So 0.60 plus 0.20. The TC and F value. TC value TC value we have found in the just. So this is the TC value, that is the thing. Then F frequency, they given in the question, frequency is a 0.20 and TD, so 8 minutes. So from that TP value you can calculate it, that is a 2.2 minutes per piece. Then RP is a 1 by TC, so sorry, 1 by TP. So 1 by TP is equal to 2.2 minutes, so 0.45 piece per minute. So 27 piece per hour, 0.45 piece per minute and 27 piece per hour. Then comes into the efficiency, 0.6 by 2.2, we can get it as a 27% efficiency. Tooling cost per piece, CT is equal to 30 tools into, if you apply this formula, you are getting as a 6 per piece. And finally, if you are finding the CPC, cost per piece, so equal to 5 plus 1.66 into 2.2 plus 6, finally we are getting as a rupees as 14.65 per particular piece. So